Hello everyone, my name is Sepide. Today I am going to tell you about mental arithmetic, what is a method of mental arithmetic, what is the main instrument in mental arithmetic, and how we work with it. So here you can see the main instrument in mental arithmetic. It's abacus. The first abacus was made 5,000 years ago in Southeastern Asia. After that, it has many changes. It got many changes, and Japanese made some changes in it. Chinese made some changes in it, and so now we are working on the Chinese model. Mental arithmetic exists about 30 years, and it gets more popular day after day. So here I can show you abacus which parts has. So the abacus has a frame, demarcation line, columns, and balls. We can calculate an abacus mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, simple fractions, root square, percents. And we can calculate from millions till fractions. So let me show you how numbers look like on abacus. We have a central column on abacus on which we have numbers from 0 to 9. So when we have no balls nearby the demarcation line, we have 0. So when I add one ball from this side of the abacus, so it's under the demarcation line, I add one ball, it's 1. So I add 2 balls, and it's 2. When I add 3 balls, it's 3, and when I add 4 balls, it's number 4. So, do you have any ideas? Where is number 5? Number 5 is a specific number in mental arithmetic because one ball from the up of the demarcation line means 5. So when I add this ball, I have 5, and after that then we add 5 and one ball from the under the demarcation line, we got 6. 5 and 2 balls, it's 7. 5 and 3 balls, so it's 8, and 4 balls under the demarcation line, all the balls on central column, it's 9. So as the big one abacus is not very comfortable to use by children, and it's not very comfortable for transport, we use these small ones for our children and those who teach mental arithmetic, our instructors, practitioners. And here we have the same parts, the frame, demarcation lines and balls, but it's small and very easy to use because children with their small fingers, they can easily work here on these columns and balls. To show you what we have on this column, here we have from 0 to 9, here we have 10, 20, 30, 40, and as you know, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. So, let's to solve one exercise all together. I have 1 plus 3 plus 5 minus 6 minus 2 plus 2. So we got 3. Or I can show you something else. We have 23 plus 5 plus 50 plus 20 minus 6 minus 70 plus 2. And we got 24. One more exercise. We will have 60 plus 17 minus 50 plus 20 minus 6 plus 3. And we get 44. So, for those of you who will stay with me till the end of the video, I will show you asymmetric gymnastics. You will have some bonus. Why is important mental arithmetic? Mental arithmetic is not just to calculate some numbers with a fast speed and just to be like a calculator, but it helps us to develop concentration, logic, analytic thinking, memory, which is help us to be successful not only in mathematics but in all the spheres of the life. And it's very helpful for children because it helps them to get more concentrated and they have a very good success in the school, because it does not help them only in mathematics just to calculate the exercises and tell the answers. It helps them in the other subjects at school, and it helps to make new connections between two hemispheres of the brain, which is very helpful for our children and for us adults also. It's not helpful only for children, it's helpful for the adults also, because it helps them to keep their brain at the form, keep our brain active. And now the bonus. So, I will show you some asymmetric gymnastic exercises. These exercises are not only helpful and useful, but they are funny also. And all the children like them very much, and not only children, because the adults also like them very much. So we can begin from the easiest one, like this. The next one. The next one. It's up. A Spider-Man is going up and a Spider-Man is going down. Yes, that's all from me. I was very glad to have this presentation with you and to tell you about the abacus, mental arithmetic, and to show you asymmetric gymnastics. You can exercise asymmetric gymnastics with your children at home to occupy them with something helpful and useful. Have a nice day!